Why living rooms are the heart of modern homes. The living room is no longer just a place to sit, it's the centerpiece of modern home life. In 2026, interiors are all about combining style, comfort, and technology. Homes now prioritize spaces that feel inviting, functional, and visually impressive at the same time. Every design decision, from furniture placement to material choice, is made to enhance flow, aesthetics, and lifestyle, making the living room a true reflection of modern living. Open layouts and seamless flow. Open concept living remains a major trend in 2026. Walls are minimized to create a seamless connection between the living room, dining area, and kitchen. Proper furniture zoning, through rugs, sofas, and low partitions, ensures each area feels distinct yet part of a unified whole. This approach allows natural light to fill the space, making even smaller rooms feel airy and expansive. TV wall units that blend function with style. The modern TV wall is no longer just a screen display, it's a design statement. Minimalist units with floating shelves, hidden storage, and integrated lighting combine practicality with elegance. Materials such as matte laminates, wood veneers, and textured panels add depth while keeping the design clean. These units become the focal point of the room, perfectly balancing media needs with luxury aesthetics. Furniture that balances comfort and visual appeal. Living room furniture in 2026 focuses on both comfort and proportion. Low-profile sofas, modular seating, and sculptural chairs create a sense of sophistication without overcrowding the space. Accent tables, minimalist consoles, and statement rugs complete the look, while soft textiles like velvet, linen, and wool add warmth and tactile appeal. Lighting that enhances mood and function. Layered lighting is essential in modern living rooms. Ambient ceiling lights, floor lamps, accent lighting, and concealed LED strips allow homeowners to control the atmosphere for relaxation, work, or entertainment. Smart lighting systems are increasingly popular, allowing adjustments at the touch of a button or via voice control, blending convenience with high-end design. Material and color harmony. 2026 living room trends favor neutral and muted palettes with subtle contrasts. Soft grays, beige tones, earthy browns, and muted greens dominate walls, furniture, and decor, creating a calming backdrop. Layering textures, wood, stone, textiles, and metal, adds depth while maintaining a clean and luxurious aesthetic. Harmony in materials and colors ensures the space feels cohesive and timeless. Decor and personal touches. Art decor and greenery are carefully curated to complement the minimalist aesthetic. Oversized artwork, sculptural accessories, and indoor plants create points of interest without cluttering the space. Every element is intentional, supporting the room's overall design narrative while reflecting the homeowner's personality. The modern living room of 2026. Modern living rooms in 2026 are about balance between style and comfort, technology and warmth, minimalism and personality. Thoughtful layouts, cohesive materials, smart lighting, and functional TV wall units transform everyday spaces into inviting, luxurious environments. Renovations inspired by these trends create living rooms that are not just visually impressive, but functional, flexible, and future-ready.